Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I will show you on how to know if your Facebook page can be monetized. So let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about Facebook topic. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your Facebook app. Just like so. After you open up your Facebook app, you have to navigate to your Facebook page. And for you to do that, simply click on here, your profile icon or profile avatar. It takes you to your page. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on these three dots right here. Just like so, it takes you here. Next thing you want to do is to go to page status. Just like so, it takes you to this particular page. So the next thing you want to do is to go to eligible to monetize. Just like so, you have all your monetization tools right here. Not yet eligible because you have not met all. So as you grow your audience, you will unlock more ways to make money on Facebook. So you can monetize with star, has on rims, bonuses, in-stream ad, and subscription. And some of these monetization tools here, it depends on the country or region you find yourself. So that is to tell you that not everything you can monetize right here. Some country, they are eligible to monetize like in-stream ad, bonus, and ad on rent, while some countries are eligible to monetize in all these particular 5 tools. They can earn money with their Facebook page. So whichever country you find yourself, this is how best to know if your Facebook page can be monetized without any stress. I hope you really got value from this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about Facebook topic. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.